Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. We're back at it again on our morning work. We're on Unit 6, Week 3, Day 1. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly. Use quotation marks if the sentence needs them. Number 1. She replied, "Have you tried skipping his lesson?" Fix it up. Rewrite it nice and neat. Make sure you add quotation marks where they're needed. Number 2. Dad told us their shoes was over there. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat. If there's quotation marks needed, make sure to add them. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Continuing, daily math review, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause your video, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving on, number 6. Story problem, it says Franny jumped rope 38 times. Okay. Tracy jumped rope 57 times. How many more times did Tracy jump than Franny? Notice they underline this word more because we're trying to find the difference, right? How many more? Okay, so you want to find the difference between 38 and 57. So you're going to use these blanks down here and you're going to show your work over to the side. Don't forget to show your work. Pause your video and do number 6. Number 7, the length of a dollar bill is about, is it 15 inches or is it about 15 centimeters? Go ahead and circle the correct answer. Is it 15 inches or 15 centimeters? Number 8, solve this problem. Okay, you're going to use drawings to show how to solve 523 plus 153. So you're going to draw me a quick picture in the blank to show your answer. And then write the total here. Pause your video and do number 8. Number 9, write the correct time 2 ways. So looking at the analog clock, write the digital time. And then blank minutes after blank. Pause your video and do number 9. Alright, let's start checking from the top. She replied, "Have you tried skipping his lesson?" So the first thing I notice is this should not be a period. It should be a question mark because it's asking about it. Okay, she replied. Replied is spelled incorrectly, so we're going to circle the word replied. And then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat above to show that we need to correct the spelling. This is what she said because she replied. So here's what she said. So we're going to put it in quotation marks. Have you tried? Tried is spelled incorrectly. T-R, change the Y to an I and add E-D. Tried. Skipping is spelled incorrectly. Right? We start with skip. Double the P. Add I-N-G. Skipping his lesson. And then when that's reply is over, then we put our end quotation mark. So there's quotation marks only around what she said. Then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat. All right, number 1 looks good. Let's move on to number 2. Dad told us their shoes was over there. Okay, Dad told us there. This is the wrong there. We want to use T-H-E-I-R, right? Because the theirs, they own it. Dad told us their shoes were, not was, it should be were, over, and then this is the wrong there. We want to use T-H-E-R-E. Okay, Dad told us their shoes were over there. No quotation marks because nothing's being said. So we can go ahead and rewrite it nice and neat. All right, number 2 is looking good. Let's move on to the daily math review. And so let's see, we're subtracting. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 13 minus 8 is 5. Go ahead and check your answers for those. Continue down here, number 6. All right, so I told you I had to find the difference between how many jumps Franny did and how many jumps Tracy did. So we start with the largest number, 57. And you got to make sure you show your work. 57 minus 38 equal bar. And so 7 minus 8, we can't do it. So we have to regroup. So 7 becomes 17 and 5 becomes 4. And so 17 minus 8 is 9. And 4 tens minus 3 tens is 1 10, so 19. So then we'll write that down horizontally. 57 minus 38 equals 19. And so then we know 19 goes here because 38 plus 19, right? 38 plus 19 more equals how many times Tracy jumped, which was 57. Number 7, the length of a dollar bill is about 15 centimeters. Because if you remember, 12 inches is 1 foot, and a dollar bill is not 1 foot, right? So this is saying a dollar bill is 3 inches more than a foot if we go with 15 inches. Number 8, we got to show our work. So I'm going to draw a quick picture real quick. Okay, so I'll walk you through what I drew. So I did 523 in black, and then I did plus 153 in blue. And so we'll add it all up. So we start with our ones. We have 6 ones, no regrouping. 7 tens, no regrouping, and then 6 hundreds. So we got a grand total of 676 when we put it all together. Number 9, write the correct time 2 ways. So let's see. Whoops. The hour's 11, and then minutes, o'clock, 05. So it's 11:05. So it's 5 minutes after 11, which is the hour. And we are all done. Good luck on your next assignment.